This is the query from the group that you have to create a dynamic drop-down list as per the condition. Whenever we change the condition, it has to reflect as per the condition. Dependent drop-down list. It's means called dependent drop-down list. So here I'm going to explain you the query and the solution. Here is the screen. Before going to show the solution, I will show you the output. Okay. Later you will come to understand what I mean to say. See, here names are like this, category and items. Whenever we change this category, automatically it has to reflect items. It's a laser, see. When I click on this, see, now I transfer the HHT. Okay, enter. Now it has to show these three things. See. Okay, when I change this one, again I'm showing laser. Okay, it has to reflect IB pre-1. Already there, see. Laser HHT. Okay, now I'll show you the solution. See, first of all, what you have to do means you have to create a one formula and name that formula. Okay, so I'm going to create one formula. What I want to means here, simply I'm creating offset, start offset, starting from here, F4. Okay, comma, how many rows do you want to move? Actually, it asking 5 conditions, 5 arguments. So, out of 5, 2 are optional and remaining 3 are mandatory. So, here difference means it's where do you want to start? I want to start here and I want to lock. How many rows do you want to move? I want to move still where you find this means it's asking the position number. Okay. It's asking the position number, comma 0. Okay. So what it will happen? It will jump to 1 row. When I change this from to laser, it will jump 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will jump to 4th row. Okay. Now, how many columns do you want to move from there to here? Okay. So here is the thing, comma, 1 column. Okay. 1 column I want to move. From there, I want to move 1 column, only 1 column. Okay. Now, what will be the height? Okay. So what I'll do, I want to count how many are there. So for that reason, I use the countif. Select the range F4, comma, this one F4. Right. This is the countif. So it will show you 3 or 4, something like this. F9. 3. Okay. So what will be the width? Width will be the 1. Width. Okay. Height means you can understand from here to there. Width means from left to right. Height means from top to bottom. Now I press F9. See. As per this, it has extracted like this. As per HHT. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I simply suspend this formula to show you more clearly. Okay, more clearly I want to show you. For that reason, I want to suspend this formula. Means I don't want to, like simply I use something like this, enter. So it will become a text. Now I'll change to laser here. enter. Now I remove F2, I remove this one, equal sign. Now I press F9, so it will reflect this one, 1, 2, 3. Okay, F9. Okay, understood. Now, what I have to do means I want to make this formula into a named range. I want to save this formula in a named range with giving some dynamic name. Here category is there. So we will keep as a category, just as I explained this formula. Control F3. Control F3. New. Category range. CAT range. I'll paste this formula here. Okay. Simply I paste it. I copied that formula. Let me check whether it's see. You have to move like this so that okay. And remove the double quotes here. You will find double quotes. So remove double quotes or single quote, whatever it may be. You have to remove by clicking the cursor over there. Okay. I named it cat range. Okay. To understand better, it's cat range. Close. Yes. Now, I want to make here that range. What I'll do, Alt DL list, and here I use F3 to pick up that name. Suppose I forgot that name, but I press F3, it has to become cat range. IB Prevo 1, okay. When I change this one to HHT, now see what will happen. That's all, guys. For this video, I'm expecting at least minimum to minimum 10 likes. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your whatever it may be. It's not a support. Okay, leave it off. Thank you, guys.